Hello students everyone, I am going to explain in thermodynamic the heat capacity and specific heat. Now we'll learn in the topic heat capacity and specific heat. Now in this one, first I will go into learn the point is that is heat capacity, that is represented by capital C. Now in this case, the heat capacity of a substance is the amount of heat required to rise the temperature its temperature through 1 degree temperature is called as heat capacity. Is called as heat capacity. I am going to repeat it. The heat capacity. The substance is the amount of heat required to rise the temperature to 1 degree Celsius is known as heat capacity. Now this heat capacity, the heat capacity is the ratio of heat the heat capacity is the ratio of heat. Now the heat capacity is the ratio of heat absorbed by a system to the resulting increases in the temperature. Now see that the heat capacity ratio of the heat is observed by the system, then resulting increases the temperature. Then we can write it is represented as heat capacity symbol C. Heat is observed. Now then what is the change? Temperature also will change. That is change in temperature. It is temperature like increase. It is increase. Now in this case, Q is the heat absorbed by the system. Delta it is Q is heat absorbed by the system, and dt it is rise the temperature rises, and C is the heat capacity. Capital C is heat capacity. C is the heat capacity. This is a now I am going to explain that is heat capacity at constant volume. Now this is represented by CV. Now it is mainly heat capacity of volume will gives the measure of the measure of the change of internal energy, that is symbol U. We can write of a system with temperature. Now this is we can write as a standard formula, that is Cv is equal dou U by dou T. Temperature rises, internal energy is also present. Now it is we can write as Qv by dt. Now I need only U, means you can write dou U is equal NCV into dt. We take n number of moles. This is also one we can write. For the equation. Now next point I'm going to explain in this heat capacity at constant pressure. Now it means that it is will explain heat capacity at constant pressure. Will shows the symbol, that is Cp. It gives the measure of the change of entropy of a system with the temperature. The temperature is called as molar heat capacity at constant pressure. Now this is we can write as molar heat Cp is equal to, now what is the change in enthalpy, that is dou H by with the what, change in the temperature. Now this is we can write as now Qp by dt, and this is also we need delta H, means dou H is equal molar N 1 Cp and dt. Now before equation dE entropy and this internal energy is equal to NCV dt. These are the two equations. Very important for the calculation. Now I am going to explain, that is specific heat capacity. It is also represented with capital C. Now the statement we can write as the heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of substance by 1 Kelvin or 1 degree Celsius, that is 1 degree Celsius is called as specific heat capacity. Now this is we can write as C is equal to heat capacity by mass, that is we can write as Q by M. The units of specific capacity, that is joule, G inverse K inverse. Now we can write as one more G, that is K inverse degree Celsius inverse. This is the units we can write for this one.